and I am on a mission to make India free of electrical and fire accidents, assets failures. Let's start our journey of Lakrama 2025, powering the futures of energy.
Welcome, sir.
I am at stall of Motwani with Pankaj sir. Plays vital role. I am at a stall of Dobble that always offer good equipment. This is the latest technology they are offering.
Called as angle air terminal rod, and this is designed whenever this panel is facing the sun. Okay, so it is kept at that 90 degree,
Make
so that
sure
whenever
that the place where I am standing and any metallic part connected in the installation and the place where I am standing, right? There is no shock voltage between this and where I am standing. Yes, so we are connecting to the structural steel over here. Yes, this is the connection to the structural steel. And
This is a new launch from the Sonal. This has got complete single phase, three-phase analyzer.
Okay.
It can do the complete current harmonics and voltage harmonics up to 256 order. And-
Suppose this time this LED is working.
Yeah.
It must be generating some harmonics.
Yes.
Can you give the live demonstration of that? What are the products you
Welcome,
have?
Dr. Sir. We have a very neglected product, often neglected product in the electrical installation. But this connector, you have LCB, you have MCB for protection. LCB will trip when there is a leakage.
Sir, can you throw lights on why that higher order harmonics to be taken care of?
Yes. I'll give an example. If you go to a solar farm,
Right.
you have the solar panels
Right.
which generate energy in DC.
A lot growth story of Indian power sector through cables network they have provided. Thank you everyone. Thanks a lot.
transformer monitoring device and feeder monitoring device. In
Okay.
transformer monitoring device, okay, we are monitoring the 4 to 20 milliamp signal like temperature, oil level, and anything.
Which equipment is actually measuring that all the parameters of transformer? Can you show me that thing?
So here you can see that we have shown both conventional and non-conventional type of system. So in conventional system you are typically having the RTUs,
Right.
MFMs, ठीक है. So what we have shown here that
That's the beauty of it.
Okay.
And then after that, the product comes between 20 to 30 micron thickness, various
Okay.
grades.
Typical dry type transformer.
Yeah, this is the typical dry type transformer. We call this as a VPI, vacuum pressure impregnated transformer. This is using for the
Temperature,
all the
etc.
temperature. Yeah, it will run the fan. It will show the high temperature, very high temperature according to setting. It will
Accordingly
start the
give
primary
command.
side.
Okay.
We use the primary side breaker.
That is an learning stage also.
Okay.
So you might be using ChatGPT or OpenAI or DeepSeek. So that is more on the domestic purpose and other sectors. What we do in
for
engineering.
that, whatever you're talking about.
So basically, in the demonstration, right now the whole system is down right now because we are not in the verge of packing.
Yeah, sir. Thank you. First of all, for visiting our stall, and definitely this is a very innovative product of Omicron.
Okay.
That we launched a couple of years back. So in a single connections.
Can we perform the LV test also with that?
Yeah, all the LV tests like winding resistance, ratio, you can do.
It is always said that anything can happen over a cup of coffee. And when I am sharing my coffee with Prakash sir, the situation becomes different.
So today meeting you with a cup of coffee, leaving now.
Thank you
Sir,
sir.
but once again.
यूं ही नहीं मिलते तमन्नाओं के शहर, कुछ पाने के लिए चलना भी जरूरी होता है.
Yes, thank you very much, sir. क्या बात है.